When you see the big pieces of equipment in the gym, have you ever wondered how they are made? Let's take a look at how dumbbells, bars and weights are made in the gym. Dumbbells are one of the most used pieces of equipment by gym goers. The reason is that it is easy to use. It is made of steel and iron cubes. They are generally given a rubber coating to secure them. Importantly, dumbbells are made in two ways. In one case, only the iron bars which are measured and weighed are taken and placed in the mold. Several pieces of rubber will be placed around this. All this is precisely made by heating under a press. When it comes out of the press, the iron is wrapped with rubber around it. Now the protruding parts of the rubber are cut off from this. There will also be a hole in the middle for placing the bar. Dumbbell is ready when a small bar is locked in the middle of the two pieces and pressed. It is made in another way by welding the middle bar and the iron bars together. Now rubber coating should be given on both sides. For that purpose, the welded parts are placed inside the mold, heated and pressed with rubber pieces. It will be a dumbbell with a marking full of rubber. The extra protruding pieces and the rubber pieces on the center handle are all cut away and the dumbbells are precisely shaped. Dumbbells of any size can be made in this way. Next we see the construction of weight plates used for weightlifting. To do this, the mold is first sprayed with a non-stick compound. A plate is also placed to hold the hole in the middle. A synthetic material mixture required to give rubber coating to these plates is prepared from another machine. This mixture is poured completely into the first mold. The iron plates prepared earlier are placed to the next mold. Now fill it with the same synthetic mixture around it. These are left to dry. It is kept like this for a few hours. Once you realize that it has thickened a little so that it does not flow, you are ready for the next step. This is done by removing the plate in the middle of the first mold and then placing the two molds on top of each other. It is heated directly under the press and compressed. Now separate them and take out the weight plate from it. All the protruding pieces of rubber are cut off and a properly shaped weight plate is made. Any type of weight plates can be made to fit the weight. Now let's see how the different types of bars used in the gym are made. It started with these iron bars. No matter what type of bar it is, it must first be passed through the machine and made straight. There will also be weight testing to find out if the rods are capable of supporting the required weight. If the bars are used for weight on the side, a hollow piece of iron wire and a piece of iron should be added to the side of the iron rod. All these are first cut, welded together and assembled into the bar. Curved bars are also used to perform certain exercises. For that, the state bars are bent into the required shape by a special machine. If weights are to be made at the ends of these bars, the ends of these bars are welded and placed in the molds. Just like dumbbells are made by heating rubber pieces. Once the unnecessary rubber pieces are cut off, then the weighted bars are ready. How was the factory manufacturing of gym equipment? Please comment your views below. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.